In this session, we'll be discussing about mycorrhiza. So as the name suggests, myco, it's for fungus. The study of fungus, it's called mycology, and that's what the myco term stands for, fungus. Rhiza means roots, so roots of higher plants. So when you talk about mycorrhiza, mycorrhiza is the symbiotic association between fungus and plant roots. And when I'm talking about symbiotic relationship, they both help each other for some or the other functions. So we'll be discussing mycorrhiza in details. I've already told you that they are fungal roots. The roots are associated with fungus. When the roots are associated with the fungus is doing something for the plant, and the plant is doing something for the fungus. So there is this symbiotic relationship or mutualism between fungus and the plant. When you talk about fungus, when fungus is present like woolly growth over the surface of roots of plant, fungus is actually absorbing water and nutrients from the soil. So what the work which was done by what you call root hairs, so root hairs, the work will be done by the fungus here. So such plants won't have root hairs. The root hairs are not present, the plants, those show mycorrhiza association. Apart from that, the fungus is also saving the plant from various diseases. So they don't have root cap also. So always remember this particular character, that the plants, those show mycorrhiza association, they do not have root cap and root hairs, because whatever the work was done by root hairs, the fungus is doing the same work out here. So the very important function what is fungus doing for the plant is absorption of water and minerals. So fungus absorbs water and minerals, especially in minerals it absorbs nitrogen, phosphorus and sulfur. So it increases the supply, it enhances the supply to the plant. Apart from that, when you talk about, it also secretes some growth hormones, the fungus in the plant which will be secreting some growth hormones for the plant. Fungus also produces some antibiotics which will be protecting the plant from other what you call microorganism diseases. So fungus is doing so much. Apart from that, what is plant giving to the fungus? So plant gives the nutrients to the fungus, plant gives the food to the fungus, plant does the photosynthesis, so plant provides nourishment, and apart from nourishment, fungus has also got the shelter. So plant is giving nourishment and shelter to the fungus. When you talk about the position of the fungus can be over the surface of plant, or it can go to the cortical regions also. So there are two types of, basically when you talk about mycorrhiza, there are two types of mycorrhiza association found. One is ectomycorrhiza, another is endomycorrhiza. So in next session, we'll be discussing about the details of ectomycorrhiza.